Hey, welcome to another George's Wild Adventures. We're here, we're gonna head north today to the Grand Canyon. We got a good adventure set up for today, so we'll see you here in a little bit. Here we are, first stop, Pennsylvania Lumber Museum. Just out stretching the legs. Everybody's over here having a good time. But hey, we'll get back and we'll show you the end adventure here. Have a good one. Here we are. We made it. This is the end of the adventure here. Barber Rock Trail, Colton Point State Park, Pennsylvania, Grand Canyon. A little something about it here. Boom, here we are. The spot. Clayton and Kyle. Kyle's up there in the woods. He's terrified. Here we are. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty bright out today. Boy. Awesome stuff. What up?
Living the dream.
Brian and his dad. Here we are. Grand Canyon. All right, here we are. Tacos, Wellsboro, PA. It's gonna be a good time.
Got enough salad? Right now I'm eating the granny.